The Margarita is one of the most loved cocktails in the world. It's the perfect balance of sweet and tart and spirit, and if you like salt like I do, it's got that nice salty kick on the rim as well. It's the perfect cocktail to have on a hot summer's day, and also as a mental refresher in the winter when you just need something to kind of pull you out of your funk. This is a great drink, and after all, what else are you going to drink on Taco Tuesday, right? So the fact that this is such a successful cocktail means that there are so many different claims on who actually invented this drink. Last time I gave a count, there were no less than 9 claims on who actually invented this drink. Now, the most widely accepted theory is that this is a simple variation on the brandy daisy, and Americans would flood down into Mexico during Prohibition to get their drink on. So this is kind of a Mexican kind of twist on the brandy daisy. Now, as many origin stories as there are, there's even more variations on how to actually make this drink. Everything from the classic version to Tommy's to a hybrid to a bucket of margarita mix and every fruit color underneath the sun. There is a recipe to make this drink. Now, as always, drink what you like, but this is a cocktail recipe that I like for the margarita. So here's how to make kind of a hybrid version of the margarita. The first thing you want to do when you're making a margarita is really decide if you want salt on the rim or not. Now's the perfect opportunity to pre-salt your glassware. It's going to be a lot harder to do after you fill the glass with margarita. So after that, you're going to add 2 ounces of tequila to a mixing tin. Follow that by 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, 1 full ounce of lime juice, and 1/2 ounce of agave syrup. This gives it a nice richer taste, and it really reinforces the agave flavor into tequila as well. It makes a really delicious cocktail. Then you're gonna add some ice, you're gonna get this shaking and nice cold, and then finally you're gonna fine strain that into your pre-salted glassware with ice or not. And that is how you make a really tasty margarita. Cheers, everyone.